Hey guys, recently I downloaded this game Mass Effect 1. In this game, there is a problem that the in-game galaxy map is not working properly and you can't save the game. It is because of the game is a pirated version. There are too many videos and internet links and forums that are already covering this topic, but they do not provide a proper solution or a crack for it, but I have found the crack which will solve this problem. So you have to download the crack and then you have to extract it. After extraction, you have to copy these two files from here to in here. As you can see, I have pasted these two. After, you have to just play the game and the game will be working fine. So let me show you guys. As you can see, now the in-game galaxy map is just working fine. And you can also save the game. Thank you very much, guys.